Hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here, and welcome to the beautiful Welsh countryside. So today I am going to reveal the next project on the channel. It's quite a small project, but it's something that's going to be close to my heart because this car belongs to my father. He bought this car recently. It is absolutely immaculate on the paintwork. Interior is stunning. The only thing really that lets it down is the alloy wheels. So the wheels are going to go off to be stripped and freshly refurbished, and while it's in my garage I'm going to be stripping down the calipers, cleaning all those up. I'm going to be replacing the front and rear brake discs and pads, and hopefully can give this car the fresh look that it really deserves. While it's away, it's going to get a fresh coat of paint on the wheels, and they're going to be completely stripped back. I'm going to try and film as much of that as possible, but also it's going to get a fresh set of tyres as well. So the tyres I have put in the community tab, giving you guys a chance to guess what the car is. Nobody's got it. So today we're going to reveal this car, and that is the BMW Z4. So here it is. This is the beautiful Z4. It's an E85 shape. It's a 2005 model. It's got the 2.2 litre petrol engine as well. So let's take you around. So it's got on the front some 18-inch split rim alloys. And as I say, that's the only thing that lets it down. And really, it's just bits like this over here that are starting to bubble and show signs of sort of age-related wear and tear. So we're going to get the wheels off. They're going to get separated from the outer rim and the inner rim. They're all going to get refurbished. The colour is currently undecided, and then get put back on with a set of brand new Bridgestone Potenza tyres. So they've got tyres for the front, going down the side of the car now. Trying to get my shadow out of the way. At the back they're a lot wider, and hopefully you can see here that the disc itself is a bit corroded. It's seen better days. So the plan is to go blue calipers and potentially silver wheels, but say we're not sure. And they've got quite a bit of pitting around the bottom again. This is the soft top version, and the colour on the V5 is green. However, doing a bit of research, it is sterling grey or Sterling Grau, if you're pronouncing it in German. It's got a cream fabric roof, and it's absolutely stunning. I love this car to bits. Got relatively low mileage for 2005 plate car. But yeah, she's an absolute beast. So we'll come around here, just take a look in the interior. It's leather, cream leather seats with a wood dash, or wood grain effect dash. Just release the bonnet. And the paintwork has been under a cover for most of the time, but even under the engine bay, absolutely stunning. They did this engine in a 2 litre, a 2.2, which this one is, it's a straight 6 2.2, a 2.5 and a 3 litre. And this is the Mark 1 variation of the Z4, which was superseding the Z3. As you can see in the engine bay, it's all immaculate. It's as clean on the inside as it is on the out. So while it's with me, I'm going to try and detail this up a little bit, get the engine bay absolutely gleaming and shining again, and hopefully when I get back to Dad, he'll be over the moon. So I bring you to North Wales, to this beautiful scenery, a place of natural beauty, and I show off or release to you guys the new project car. My dad's worked really hard all of his life and he likes nice things, so he decided to treat himself to a sports car. Some may say it's a midlife crisis, but Dad's always liked nice cars, so I don't believe that. So we're going to start work on this very, very soon. And I'm going to leave this video here, a nice little short teaser, or a little intro of what's to come. So if you have enjoyed this content, please click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss on any future content. Hopefully going to get this done by the new year, but we'll have to see how time goes, because a lot of stuff I've got to do is going to be quite loud, and yeah. So no, that's it for me, and I will see you guys next time. Take it easy.